Hello kids, today we will draw a double layer ice cream. So let's start. First draw a half circle, like this. Then draw a wavy and curvy line and connect it. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Look, we draw ice cream layer. Now draw the another ice cream. Draw a curved line on both sides like this. Now draw a wavy and curvy line and connect it. Good job! We draw the second layer. Now draw the cone. Draw a line like this. Now draw another line on other side and make it like a cone. Well done! Now draw the fluffy cream on top. Just draw like me, and it's looking. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Look how delicious it's looking. Now draw a cute face. Draw a curved line and it's done. Now draw the other eye, just like this. Lastly, make a cute smile. And it's done. Well done! Now draw a face on other ice cream. Draw a big circle, then fill the color. Don't forget to draw the eyelashes. Now draw another circle and fill the color. Don't forget to draw the eyelashes. Good job! Now draw a big happy smile, and it's done. Lastly, draw a cute heart shape on cone. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Well done! Look how cute it's looking. Also draw a cherry on top of ice cream. Good job! We complete the drawing. So let's color it. First use brown color and color the cone. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Color carefully and don't color the heart shape. Slowly color left and right, left and right, and it's done. Look how great it's looking. Now use pink color and color the big ice cream. Do the same thing. First color the outline. Then carefully fill the color. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Make sure not to color the eyes and mouth. Well done, it's looking very beautiful. Now use sky blue color and color the small ice cream. If you color the outline first, then you will not make any mistake. Also, don't color the eyes and mouth. Good job, it's looking very beautiful. Now use yellow color and color the fluffy cream. Just color left and right and fill the color. Well done. Lastly, use red color and color the heart shape. Good job. Now color the mouth also. Carefully fill the color on small part and it's done. Lastly, color the cherry and it's done. Now use dark brown color and draw some line on cone. First draw line, like this. Now draw line on opposite side and make it like a box. Now use gray color and make shadow. Draw line on yellow part, like this. Now draw line on sky blue color. Make small curved line and it's done. Now draw line on pink ice cream. Lastly, draw a line on ice cream cone. Lastly, use white color and draw circle on eye. Now draw circle on other eye also. Now draw curved line on blue ice cream. Good job. Now draw curved line on pink ice cream also. Now draw a line on ice cream cone. Lastly, draw a small curved line on heart shape. Also draw a line on cherry and it's done. Good job. We complete the drawing. Look how delicious and beautiful ice cream is looking. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.